Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to the object show that it's like what from Wonder Island but better, and it's called the Wonderfully Ordinary Object Show. Yeah. So the first update is that I changed E's design, and I just changed something different. So you can see the difference that the right arm just put in another direction. Yeah. And also I optimized the legs and the arms, so just for making them more flexible. So I just replaced invisible, geary, and springy into eyeball-y. That's shifty. Actually, my name is Dash, but according to my calculations, Shifty is the one object that kind of looks like me from Object 4. You mean animatic battle? Whatever. And lastly, but not least, least, the giant unidentified gift. Yes. But according to this, what's inside of this gift? Not gonna tell you. Oh, okay. You'll only identify this gift if all the contestants will be eliminated, except for you. Okay, let me just be patient for 1 hour. I don't think this is 1 hour, but anyways. Come on guys, follow me. Just stay the gift here and then just move on. Oh wait. What kind of transition am I supposed to do? This? Let me check. Yes, this one. Transition top! Wow! What is this place? This is the beam balance. The minor version of... Oh wait, where did I saw that? And this is... So, this is the mirror version of beam balance called balance beam. Oh wait, I need the mirror balance beam called beam balance. Wait. Okay. Wait, let me think. Before you start the contest, isn't this object show supposed to be called a wonderfully ordinary object war, or is it just always a wonderfully ordinary object show? Let me just stay. I'm sorry, but this object show will be called a wonderfully ordinary object show forever, and just stay the same. You know what? The challenge is that if you stay on a balance beam for if you fall from the balance beam, you lose. So, let me check. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so first what do we have here? I'm gonna push void. Wait, what are you doing? Oh no! What, is that a barrier? Oh no! I'm gonna try to push you out. Ow! Whoa, too fast. Oh man, how am I supposed to push him out? Could you please help me do that? Error. Error file not found. Well, let's just try to push it. Oh my gosh, my legs. I'm gonna get your boy. So chill, dude. Wait, what are you doing? Ah! Whoa! Ouch! What have you done, boy? I'm gonna push you off. Congratulations, Bobby! You've dropped points! Sorry, too bad, to push you off. You know what I did? I'm gonna push you off. Uh-oh! Oh wait, did I wait to push you off? Ah man, it's so hard. I'm gonna drop you! Uh-oh. Oh no! Ha! Can't fool me now. I'm just cut. Sir? Dasher, what are you doing? Dasher, are you cutting it? Yes. And for last. Oh no! You made it harder! I'm gonna drop you! Ah, you must draw myself. Oh no, where am I to fall? Come on, guys! I'm gonna push it. Whoa, ow! Final 3, let's go. I'm gonna push you up. Oops. Whoops. Let me check if it's fixed. There you go. I'm gonna push you up. Oh, whoops. Let me just. There you go. I'm gonna push you off. I'm gonna push you off. Why can't I push you off? H. Oh, hello, H. Could you please help me push him off? H. Wait. Wait, I thought you were my friend! Ah! Okay, so final 2, I think. I'm gonna push you off! Wait! Huh? But the contest has already ended. It already did? Yeah. But first, let me just go into background. And then... What? Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. The contest is over. Yeah. So it means that we win the prize? No. You're just gonna form a team. Oh, that's just great. Come on, H. Let's get out of here. For good. But first I have to get this away from me. And now let's get out of here for good. Ouch! Come on, guys, go in the lava so we're spawn away. Okay, guys, now we're back. So, Ruler and H, you guys will be a team leader. So, yeah, just go. Okay, so, what team I choose? Airborne? No, he's still out. Bobby? I don't know if it's dropping, but oh well. Let me just choose the question mark club because he's the best. Oh, I thank you. H. Hey! Can I join this team? No, cause you look stupid. Oh. Hey, can I join the team? H. Did you say yes? Okay, but first, we need some space. Oh wait, let me just do the cool transition. Let me just speed it up. 3, 2, 1. Now the join contest is over. So, how did you call yourselves? Okay, so how do we call ourselves as a team? You mean team? Cause our team will be called Team.404 because there's Aaron's team. So, anyways. Well, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so how do we call ourselves? Epsilon. Wow, wow, I like those D's though. Wait, what's that on your head? Oh, it's one of those things on my head that let's find out later. So today's contest is to survive from this black hole. Go! Okay, so today's contest is to survive from this black hole. Get it? Well, I'm so bored that I got to push you off. I mean, just throw you all the way to the black hole. Wait, what are you doing now? Ah! You missed me up! No! Oh, I got the black hole! No! Help! Here you go. Whatever, just do something. Wow. Oh no, we're gonna get sucked! No! Oh wow! I cannot believe that I survived it though. Well, so it means that Epsilon is up for elimination. Yeah. Okay, so can I do something real quick? Sure. Okay, here I go. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put here and then okay, so I finally did it. So okay. Oh, I got an idea. What was I gonna say? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the end of the first video, the first episode from the first video of Wonderful Ordinary Object Show. So it means that just type one of those things to eliminate which one of those contestants will be eliminated. So yeah, good luck. I'm out here, my boy. Check. Wait, okay. I forgot something. There you go. Oh, goodbye, everyone. Just please vote which one of the contestants needs to be eliminated. So what are you waiting for? I'm out of here. See you guys on the Wonderfully Ordinary Object Show. Goodbye, everybody. See you later. Yeah. See you guys later on a Wonderfully Ordinary Object Show. I'm out of here, my boys. The end.